Hey everyone, welcome back. Does Polymarket work fine on mobile data but completely fails on Wi-Fi? This pins or shows a connection error. Here's the fix from your iPhone settings. First, go to your settings app and then tap Wi-Fi. Find your connected network at the top with the blue check mark. Tap the little letter I in a circle on the right side of the network's name. Then tap Forget this network and confirm. Now toggle the Wi-Fi at the top of the screen off. Wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Your network will reappear. Tap it and enter your password to reconnect completely fresh. This clears any broken session that was causing Polymarket to fail. After reconnecting, try Polymarket again. If it still fails on Wi-Fi, go to your settings, then go to General, scroll down to VPN and Device Management, and make sure that nothing is showing as connected. Even a VPN you thought you turned off can still be active here and will block Polymarket. Also check if the problem is on the Polymarket site by opening Safari or Google, then search for down detector and then search for Polymarket. Here you'll get to see if there is a widespread outage reports. So all you gotta do is go to your settings, go to Wi-Fi, forget and reconnect fresh. Check that VPN and device management are off. Check down detector if it's still failing, and that's it. Polymarket working on Wi-Fi. Subscribe.